Hello, let's begin session number 18, monitors. In this session we are going to study what is monitors, schematic view of monitor, condition variables, monitor with condition variables examples, monitor solution to dining philosopher, a monitor to allocate single resource, monitor implementation using semaphores. First of all, we are going to see what is monitors. So monitor is one of the way to achieve process synchronization. The monitor is also support by programming language to achieve mutual exclusion between processes. And this is mutual monitor is high level abstract that provide convenient and effective mechanism for process synchronization. Synchronization in the sense of process synchronization in the sense of what means what here? Two or more process we are going to run simultaneously. So this monitor is collection of condition variables and procedure combined together in a special kind of module or package, and also processes running outside the monitor cannot access the internal variable of the monitor but can call procedure of the monitor. And one more thing is that only one process at a time can execute code inside monitors. So here given monitor name, the open the function, shared variable in declaration, procedure p1 up to n number, procedure n pn, initialization code. So close this function. Next one, this is the schematic view of monitor. So here in this diagram we can view shared data, means these are the resource and processes. Entry queue, the number of our resources are in the queue, and here below the given operations, wait and signals we are going to use because of what? The process synchronization. And finally the initialization code. So next one, condition variables, the condition x and y, these two variables are we are going to use. So two operations condition variables are wait and signal. So x dot wait, this operation process that invoke the operation is suspended when the operation is suspended. X dot signal resume one process, so it is going to resuming one process if any that invoked x dot wait. So this is the monitor with condition variables. Here q associated with x and y conditions, means these are two are the variables. So x shared number of resource and y shared number of resource, shared data, and the resource processes are entry queue, the number of operations we are using here, the initialization code. So condition variable means what? These are the these variable value are not holding longer time of the values. Condition variable does not count, means these conditional variables are not count, have not associated integer, means not, it is not going to associate the integer. A signal on a condition variable x is lost, not saved for future use, means once the value of this x condition variable x is lost, that value is not we are going to use for further. So not used for future use if there is no process waiting blocked on the condition variable x. So there is a no process waiting for blocked condition variable x. So wait operation is a condition variable. X will always cause the caller wait to block. Means this is we are using wait and blocks using for these operations. The using signal operation on a condition variable will wake up a sleeping process on the condition variable if any. It has no effect if there is nobody in sleeping. So condition variable, here is given one example. Assume that we have 5 resources can be accessed by many processes. Assume that we have 5 instances of resources and 5 processes can use the resources simultaneously. We want to implement a monitor that will implement 2 functions, acquire and release. So these one more method is there. We are using 2 functions in the monitor, acquire and releases, that can called by process before and after using a resources. So condition variable example here, monitor allocates integer count equal to 5. So here we are going to initializing count to 5. Condition C void acquire. So here we are using acquire function if count is equal to 0, c dot wait, it is going to block here, and count minus minus here going to decrementing if the condition is satisfied. Otherwise void release, it is going to release count plus plus, it is going to incrementing here, and c dot signal. Condition variable example, a process will be blocked like following. So this is allocate monitor, means here resources allocation monitor is acquired. So here we are going to use the number of resources, and after that ma dot release. So here we are going to releasing those resources. So these are the code for monitor solution to the dining philosopher. So this is solution again here. So in this dining philosopher problem, invoking the operation pick up and put down. So these 2 operations we are going to use this philosopher problem. So this is another view of monitor solution to the dining philosopher problem. So here a monitor is allocate single resources. For single resources here is we are using to use wait operations. So a monitor is allocate single resources. The code is given here. So monitor to allocate single resources, here number of processes, p1 process, p2 process. So n number of process we are using here. So each process should use resources between acquire and release calls. So these are the last summary of this session what we are going to learn. So these are the book references we are going to use for this monitor. So below given the website references for this operating system subject. Thank you.